What is inbound logistics? Inbound logistics is the way materials and goods are brought into a business. It includes the steps to source, order, transport, receive, put away, store, and manage incoming supplies. It also includes reverse logistics, which moves goods back to a company from customers for returns, defects, repair, and refurbishment. Without effective inbound logistics processes, businesses often suffer from high operating costs, uncertain delivery dates, and unpredictable lead times, which makes it hard to maintain ideal inventory levels in an efficient and productive warehouse. To optimize inbound logistics, businesses should consider strengthening supplier relationships to yield benefits like better terms, reduced lead time, cost savings, and a sense of security during market fluctuations. Taking control of inventory with real-time visibility using an inventory management system, streamlining warehouse receiving, put away, and picking processes with a warehouse management system, automating and optimizing freight operations through a transportation management system, and combining less than truckload or LTL shipments with a third-party logistics provider to minimize shipping costs. When a company has a successful inbound logistics strategy, it helps the organization operate faster, leaner, more agile, and cost efficiently. Hey, did you like what you learned? Check out these 2 videos and don't forget to subscribe now.